Hello everyone, welcome back. What are we doing today? Let's keep working on this beautiful game. I still couldn't find that damn login for my C# thing, but we'll see. We'll figure it out. I want to work on this anyway. Look at this amazing stuff right here. Hope you're all doing good. Hello everybody. Welcome. Hey man. Hey, my man, my bros, what's going on? What is happening? How did your studies go, man? How did they go? I'm good, bro. I'm good. Look at what I got here. Look at this. Look at this. I want to get in on this. So get this. Yes. Yo, my dog. Yo, look at this. Get this. All of y'all get this. Right now, get this. Okay. Real quick. Oh, you have this. Alright. Then we just got one more person who got to get this. Alright. Yes, please do this. Okay, so we have the movement. Okay. I gotta do this annoying stuff now. Hey Dandy, what's going on, man? Oh, hi, bro. How you doing, bro? Doing good? Thanks for all your work on the Discord. Appreciate it, man. Really nice. Doing a great job. Hope you're staying safe. I think I was harsh on you once on Discord, wasn't I? I'm sorry about that, man. I remember there was once, I don't remember what I said, but it was something. I don't know. Thanks, bro. Thank you very much. I keep going. Thanks. Look at that. Amazing, bro. Amazing. Did I mod you yet? I think I did mod you. I think you got all the gold stuff going. Nah, man, you're a grown man. I shouldn't be doing that. I just thought you were the random dude just messing around, but you weren't. Oh, you are a mod. There you go. We all got the same stuff going on right there. You know, so maybe I was in a bad mood. Who knows? But sorry nevertheless. And keep up the good work on Discord, man. I really do appreciate it. So what are we doing? We gotta fix this. So what the issue is, if we have two different scenarios here. So if self.velocity x is greater than 0.0. So if it's greater than 0, we have a positive velocity. But I respect everyone who... That's true, man. That's true. You know what? I gotta, that's how it is. That is true, though. That is very true. That's a good point. And I do agree with you. I feel the same way. I do. But yeah, you were there for a while. I was like, usually I don't go into my own Discord. I don't know. I always have so much stuff on my mind. I don't want to act all important because I'm not. But you know when you have like, you're thinking of a bunch of other stuff and then you have Discord filled with stuff. You just rarely go in there. Nowadays I'm better at that though. Hard to know who's on. John Carmack or 12. Yeah, that's true, right? Yeah, you could have been a 12-year-old. Yeah, man. Maybe then I would have done you some good if you were a 12-year-old. But you seem to be John Carmack, so I gotta take back. I gotta bite myself on the tongue. Whatever you say. That's good, man. It's funny though. You're a funny guy. I'll give you that. 100%. So if we have a positive, else if self.velocity is less than 0.0, we have a negative velocity. Of course, this would be very self-evident, but it's me we're talking about, so I need to tell myself negative velocity. I need to tell myself what's going on. It's funny how I comment this and not all this other crap going on. So I apologize for that. I'll get better at it. Hey man, hey. From Belarus, look at that. Welcome so much. I hope you're staying safe. Hope you're doing great. Thank you for joining, man. Appreciate it. I don't know how to say your name, so I don't know. Should I try? Don't take offense here. I'll try. Aliaxiej. Is that how you say it? Hopefully. Welcome anyway. Thanks for joining. That's correct. Oh man, good thing I had a bunch of friends from that part of Europe, so that's great. Look at that. And I'm going to found an aerospace company. That's coming, man. You stay on my Discord long enough, you will have your own aerospace company or whatever company you desire. I haven't seen LUA in ages. LSIF looks so weird, right? Yeah, me too. That's why. You know how long I was correcting that? Like I made a mistake here and I got a weird error. But I spent like half a stream correcting that. But now I just figured it out. But LUA is amazing for this kind of C++ game engine kind of thing. Because you can make the whole game in LUA and do all the nice demanding stuff, graphic stuff through C++. So it is amazing, man. Stay tuned and you'll see how this whole thing works. I'll give you an explanation if you want. Hey Miri, welcome. You can call me Alex. All right, Alex is good. Can you name top 3 books to learn OpenGL or Vulkan API, man? You know, actually, are you totally new? Let me know. Are you totally new to OpenGL or have you worked with it a little bit? Oh, Ruby has LSIF. Oh, I see. Ruby was a long time ago too, man. I don't remember any Ruby. That's pretty interesting. See, you're one of those old school fellas who's really good at programming. I bet. I should be lucky that you're in my channel and not anyone else's channel. I'm very happy for that, actually. All right, let's see what's going on here. No, but friends ask me for this kind of books. Okay. You know, I really like to just do this, OpenGL books, and I'm just going to look at, because I don't know them by name. I have read the Shading Cookbook, which is pretty good. And there is another cookbook. It's called just OpenGL 4.0 cookbook. Super Bible, I've heard, but it's a little old, it seems. There's not a lot of good new books, I think. I like this one. I like the literally openglbook.com. I do like this. I think there is a PDF version, and also Learn OpenGL's PDF version is amazing. That's what I use to learn OpenGL. If you just go here, learnopenGL.com, there is actually an ebook, offline book, which you can download. And this book itself is amazing. It has everything you need pretty much. I mean, you can look at all this stuff. Even if you're working with DirectX, one of my friends, Madaug here, used this to learn, basic 3D principles. Then you can apply that to DirectX. So that's a good one, I'd say. Hopefully that answers your question, man. I don't know about top 3, but, pretty much. Welcome, man. Welcome. No problems. Serge, can you make a video for skeletal animations in OpenGL? Wow. First, I need to find a video that teaches that to me, and then I'll make one. I don't know skeletal animations, to be honest. I know how it works. I know about rigging and all that. I know about all that stuff, but I wouldn't know how to make it myself. But if I'm sure Madaug probably will learn that, because he's learning everything about that stuff. So give him a year or something, and then ask him. He's going to work in game development. I'm not working in game development as per se, but we do have a resource who's going to be working in game development. So Madaug in the Discord, shout out to him. He's working with all kinds of 3D stuff. Ask him. He's amazing. He does explain very well, and he does care. So you can check that out. And probably some other resources as well. I don't know, Dandy, if you know any skeletal animations. Sketchpunk Labs on YouTube has awesome WebGL tutorials where he does all sorts of skeletal animations. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Sketchpunk. Okay. Awesome, bro. Yeah, that's a good resource then. Check that out. I don't know if Thin Matrix has any. I like Thin Matrix. He's a great YouTube resource as well. So check that out. Maybe if he has anything. He usually has a bunch of tile map. I can show you guys how far I came. Do I have that project on here? Depends if I have the project on here. I don't think I do. I think I forgot to copy it over from my old computer programming projects. Game. This is basically I might not have it here. Sorry guys, I might not have it. My 3D project where I came as far as multiple lights with terrain map and then height maps, normal mapping kind of all that stuff. So yeah, that's about my end of my Opengl knowledge as for now. On GitHub, no, I didn't post that on GitHub. I think that's a good point though. But I suck at putting stuff up, or used to suck at putting stuff up on GitHub. SFML, console RPG, 3D project. No, I created a repo for this, but I never really uploaded it. But that's a good point, man. I should keep everything here. I should actually put this on there as well if you guys want to follow. Even links to YouTube. What does GitHub. Are you into Android app development? Yes, I do like that. And welcome, Siddharth Nandakumar. Siddharth Nandakumar. Did I say that right? My Hindi is still okay. But I do like Android app development, but I'm not that good at it. So, yeah. I do love it though. Does the YouTube silently censor links? Oh, it does? Oh, that's weird. Maybe on here so you can't, what do you call it? Self-promote or whatever and those things. But yeah, post it in Discord. All the links in Discord. I missed it. Whatever. I'll show you guys. I'll copy it over and I'll show you guys later. So first of all, you know what we got to do? So if we have a positive velocity, then we need to do plus equals the direction. Okay. Should we do this first? So first of all, I'm gonna limit. This is to limit. Here is limit velocity. This is limiting velocity. So if velocity is greater than 0, then if self dot, oh, I don't need 2 actually. Look here, guys. I'm a software engineer, but I'm still dumb, and I'm not good at programming. Sometimes it takes me like 10 years to figure these things out. Velocity equals self.velocity max. So that's a positive. So then this is the positive velocity max. Okay. And then we need to do then here. Don't forget the then here, guys. Then is very important. And then is this beautiful? I don't know if this is beautiful, guys. I don't know. Is it? I don't think that is. Nah, that doesn't look good. I don't like that. Okay. So self.velocity max and self.velocity x is greater than 0 and less than self.velocity max. All right, if it's going and it's greater than self.velocity max, we will limit it. And if we wait, this is move, right? That's fine. That's fine. Okay, and self.velocity x is less than self.velocity max. And here's where the confusion starts. We need a negative less than, because that's our limit for the negative velocity, and we need a less than because if it's even less than that, then we need to limit it minus self velocity. Oof, this is insane. You gotta keep on track with this. It's in the Discord's resources. Good, thanks, man. Thanks for linking that. Beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna do a 600 or 1000 on the acceleration. Velocity max can be, let's try velocity max at 5 and let's see if that, okay, that's interesting. So it's adding stuff, boom, and then if velocity is greater than 0, which it will be, and it's greater than self.velocity max 5, then set it to velocity max. Oh, is it too small? Come on, man. Nah, what? What about 10? Oh man, that is insane. Okay, so if it's else if velocity, oh, sorry about that. Velocity x, my bad, my bad. Let's see. Okay, that is kind of working. Okay. Now we're gonna put this to 50, 150, I guess. So we're limiting the velocity here to 150. What about we limit it to 1,000? That's crazy fast, but it's working. Okay, hey guys, what's going on? What's up, Shadow? What's up, John? What's going on, man? How you doing? Thanks for your answers earlier about the nursing thing. Don't you want if abs velocity? Yeah, right, abs would have been a good idea there. But then I don't know which velocity max to set it to. You know what I mean? Like if my direction is negative and I do abs, then it will put it to the positive velocity max, right? Am I right? Because this is negative. I want to check if it's less than the negative 200. So let me paint this out. I think it's correct what I've done, right? Let me paint this out, man. Let me see. So say that I'm going here. I'm going this way. My velocity max is at 50. And I'm going this way. So this would be, my vector is minus 20, minus 20, something like that. I don't know, whatever. So I'm going minus. And if I'm less than this, which I already am, it will be set to this. That means my vector will directly shoot up to the other way. I don't want that. I want it to be minus velocity max once it reaches above it. So it keeps going this way, but limited to this. Right? Pretty short. But thanks, bro. I forgot about abs as well. Thanks for reminding me. Also, I need to get abs. I do. Goals, mate. How about you? Was watching Aussies play Minecraft on Twitch. That saw this. Thanks for ditching the Aussies, bro. Your zombie, what's going on, your zombie mob? Welcome. What a coincidence. I'm also developing a top-down game right now. Look at that. Amazing, bro. Amazing. Let's do it. Doing good. Finally got off duty. Nice. Oh yeah, the 60-hour shift, man. Done and over. Good job, bro. All good. Doing good. We got some time to stream here, so talk to you guys. Mostly talking to you guys, though. I haven't done a lot. If velocity x is greater than 0, velocity x equals velocity max, else velocity x equals minus velocity max. Okay. But what happens then? Okay. Hold on. I need to think. So what you're saying is the abs check. If abs is greater than velocity max, or whatever velocity. Oh, sorry about that. Whatever velocity I have is greater than velocity max. Okay. Hold on. Let me think about this. If abs, I think it's math.abs, or math abs, I think. Or is it just abs? I don't know. I need to check this out. But that's okay. Save that code. I need to check that code out. LUA math.abs. Absolute. Is it math.abs? We are correct. .abs. Self.velocity x. Then. So now we know. Or we don't know yet. Hold on. I just need to do the end here. If that is greater than self.velocity max. Sorry about the whole explanation earlier. I think I misunderstood you. Now I understand what you're trying to say. So whatever our velocity is, positive or negative, doesn't matter. If it goes over velocity max, then we can do a bunch of stuff in here. Seems like a lot cleaner code right here. So let's see if we can implement this amazing code. Hold on, I'll just check here. He saw your video on UE for totally blown away, right? That's insane. My UE tutorials, man. Your UE tutorials when? When are you gonna do them, man? You gotta teach me, bro. How am I gonna teach you when you know so much more than me? But I will. I want to get into that, especially after seeing that. But they said, let me tell you guys something. They said that it's not only the graphics card you need to kind of, stream all that data quickly. All right. You need a SSD as well, a quick SSD. And I'm guessing that's why they ran it on a PlayStation 5, because PlayStation 5 is like using the whole SSD thing as a game performance type thing. It's not only using it as storage, it's actually allowing the PlayStation 5 and the Series X to really push stuff with texture streaming and stuff, because you can instantly stream in textures. You don't have to load it all into RAM that way. And you get a lot more space in RAM for other stuff and video memory for other stuff, I'm guessing. That's what they said, at least in an IGN post. So that's very interesting. So get your SSDs ready, guys. All right. Okay, now let's see if... Okay, so what are you saying here? Amazing how you can just come up with this code just like that. If velocity x is greater than 0.0, then... Or and... And you mean and, right? Then? Oh. Sorry. Self dot. There we go. Else self dot velocity x equals minus self dot velocity max. Else. Is this the end? No, this is the inner end. The inner end. Yeah. Okay, so if math app, so whatever happens, we're exceeding velocity max. Okay, then when that exceeding happens, we're checking if it's greater than 0.0. That means we're moving in a positive direction. Then we'll set it to velocity max. Else, we'll set it to... Amazing. This is so amazing. Wow, that's crazy. Look at all this crap I just did. Okay, good job, man. Maybe you should be holding on this channel instead of me, man. Goddamn. That's crazy. Velocity. Limit. Velocity. I'll remember that for life now. Okay. Just want to see what's going on. Okay. Yeah, perfect. Nice. In C++, I'd usually say self velocity x. Ooh, that's nice and clean. I like that. That's real clean. I don't know if you can do one of these in Lua. I'm pretty sure you can. So you'd say, okay, if velocity x equals self dot velocity. Oh, okay. Yeah, self dot multiply by... If it's greater than or not. Yo, that's clean. That's clean. That's very clean. I need to see if you can do that. What is that called in C++ again? There was a name for that. Short if statements. Those conditional statement C++. I don't know if you can do that. Is that it? If you can do these short... What's that called? What is that called? Let me know. Ternary. Oh, yeah. Ternary. Very nice. Okay. Ternary Operator. Look at this. I bet it's even more crazy in here. Or... Ooh, look at all this. This is insane. Okay, you can go ham on this. If this is true, is it? Then this. Otherwise, do this. If that's not true, then oh my god, that's crazy. That's like else if, right? Okay, but in our case, but it would be. Let's do this cleanly here. That's incredible. Remove all this crap. Okay, equals self multiplied by self dot velocity x is less than, I think we need 2 of these, not sure, less than 0.0, then -1. No, if it's greater than else -1.0. Is that how we did it? Is that it, man? Did I do that right? I should have had the chat open so I didn't waste time. Turner, nice. Where are the Udemy tutorials? You're always gonna be on me about that, aren't you? They're coming, man. I got a lot of free time coming up now. I'm telling you, it's happening. It's happening. So don't worry. Don't worry, my man. Don't worry. So wait, hold on. I don't do that. I should do this. Okay. Look at how clean that is. We went from like 10 lines to 1. Okay, that didn't work though. Self.velocity x then. And if math abs, then are we getting some error because of... Let's see what error we're getting. Okay. Here, physics and one file. Expected near. Oh, expected near thing. How was that? Ooh, okay. Can I please get an easy one? Oh, do you need one of those? Do you need one of these here? That's crazy. What is happening? Unexpected symbol near. What do you mean? Whoa. What's happening? Might be one of my symbols messed up while I was copy pasting. What happened to my shit? There we go. Let me just clear that and then paste it again. What do you mean unknown symbol? What are you talking about? 30, unexpected symbol. 30. Do you guys know what's going on? Right, it looks good, right? I think I might have copy pasted something weird here. Near this. I don't know. Then print lol. Let's see if at least the if statement works. Okay, the if statement is fine. The if statement is fine. Self.velocity x equals self.velocity max multiplied by 1.0 else minus 1.0 self dot x is greater than 0.0. Come on, man. What is wrong with that? Unexpected symbol. So what are you unexpecting? What is unexpected? Is this unexpected? Come on, man. Is the whole thing supposed to be between one of these? Are you still messing with me? Okay. Must be something I'm missing here. Is this the correct LUA? Oh, and or. Okay, and. Wait. Let me find another one here. If a, nil, and. Okay. Let me see if this works here. It should be. This is the problem. Standard solution and or. You can't do this? Functional if. Can you? Oh, okay. This is C. Okay. I was like, yo, you can do it. Okay, but you can do it with and or. Okay. All right, all right, all right. If. I guess you can do this. If. I mean, it's basically the same thing. If self-velocity, then 1.0, else. And. That's pretty much a ternary thing, right? I mean, kind of. Unexpected symbol near if. Oh, okay, hold on. No, okay. You can't really do that way. Did it say anything else about emulating? Yo, let me check your guys out. Confusing, yeah. Yeah, versus you could do the multiplier thing. Yeah. Oh yeah, never mind. Since it wasn't in LUA anyway. Indeed, yeah, man. We gotta chill with those Udemy courses, but they're happening. They're happening. Or self velocity, and okay, self velocity x is greater than 0.0 and okay, greater than 0.0 and or okay. This is the LUA way. Amazing. Oh, what was that? It kind of just broke. Oh, ooh. Okay, but that's interesting. I think I did it the wrong way around, right? I think it should be -1 here because it's kind of stopping. It's kind of stopping. Yeah, it's like stopping. What is that? That's hella weird. Let's see, go velocity max. Do I need a parentheses up in here? Does that work? Ah, that worked. But it is limiting. I see it limiting. You see, it's kind of stopping. It's not going faster than that. Okay, cool. We found the ultimate easy solution. Yeah, I don't like it. It's kind of... That is true. Thanks for helping me out. What's going on, bro? Uno dos. Welcome. UFO. Look at that. Amazing. Super clean way of ternary operator. I think it's called ternary, right? I can't believe I'm forgetting all this. Ternary, lol. Ternary operator. Look at that. Amazing. So that is fine. That's good now. Thanks for the help, bro. Unary, binary, I know. Yeah, ternary. There we go. Gotta remember that. See, that's why I do these streams, okay? So I can learn. You guys learn enough from my videos. This is for me to learn from you guys. 3 operands. Yeah, unary, then binary, and ternary. Okay, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Uno, dos, tres. Very nice. Yeah, binary has the 2. Unary is the single one. Ternary is the 3 things. Yeah. A, B, and C. Okay. Oh, wait, hold on. Yeah, then okay. Yeah, two things between the operator. Yes. And then unary would be like plus. Is plus a unary operator? It would be, right? Yeah, increment. Yeah. Plus. Oh, look at this. Look at me here coming with these. I don't even have the lingo. I need to have the lingo at least. But here we are. Okay, man. Okay, listen. Now. The important thing is we need to make a clean. Let me just copy this. We need to decelerate our thing, our ship. Constant deceleration all the time applied. Not a big deal. All the time applied, but we need to make sure that if velocity is greater than 0.f or 0.0, mean we're in the positive direction, then we need to do a minus on this. Otherwise, wait, if it's greater than 0, then we need to do minus. If it's less than 0, we need to do plus. So I guess we can make a clean one here. If it's greater than 0, we need to do self velocity x equals self dot velocity. First of all, I need to limit the y as well. Sorry about that. Velocity x minus. But here we're going to do a multiplication here. Plus whatever this is. Okay, hold on. If it's less than 0, then we're going to do, if it's less than 0, we're going to multiply it with 1, otherwise minus 1. Right? That's clean, right? That's pretty clean, right? I think it's pretty clean. But if it's, I don't want to constantly decelerate it that way. I want to make sure. No, hold on. What am I saying? Okay, no, if it's greater than 0, but then I can't have the abs. Now we need to check which direction we're going, right? Yeah, exactly. We need to get the direction from the x. Keep abs. So as long as I'm moving. Okay, yeah, that does solve an issue for me though. Because as long as I'm moving, then I want to decelerate. Okay, yeah, never mind. But what okay. That's great. Then that's pretty much fixed, right? Yeah. So self. Yeah, so exactly. Yeah, that's good wording right there. So we're going to set the velocity x to whatever it is plus the deceleration multiplied by the direction I want it to decelerate in. So if it's going in the negative direction, I want it to be positive and vice versa. So if I'm not moving, but what I want to do is while I'm decelerating, if I reach the other end, you know what I mean? If I reach from 0, if I'm moving in the positive direction and while doing the deceleration, I am suddenly in the negative direction. I don't want that. I want it to directly set it to 0. You know, I want to nullify it because you want to stop. You don't want to have the whole thing. Because what happens now, I'm pretty sure while I'm constantly, it's moving up, funnily enough. Did I put y somewhere? Oh, never mind. I need to do the same thing for y. At the same time, parallel. I was like, what the hell's going on? Same thing for y. Okay, so should be fine, right? Okay, now, yeah, well, there I saw some deceleration in the, it went the other way. But it's not working if I'm moving negative here. Why is that? Because this should be fine. If I'm moving, then I want to add it to. Wait, why am I doing this? This I shouldn't be doing this. Okay. There we go. That slowed me down. And that also slowed me. There we go. Sorry about that. Drag force in air rather than propulsion in space. You can simply multiply velocity x by a drag scalar. X 0.9 each frame. Okay. Yeah, I remember drag. I remember drag. At greater speeds is more drag. Yeah, right. Yeah, this is like straight up space kind of deceleration. Yeah, it's very like one. Drag scalar. Okay. Yeah. So how would I get that value? The scalar value. I want it to. So 0. Exactly. So 0.98 of whatever the velocity is. Yeah. Okay. That is true. So multiply it by whatever the velocity is. Can I just multiply the scalar to this? Can I do that? Yeah, right? It will be more like the faster you go, the more drag there will be. Yeah. No if statement. Okay, just straight drag, right? So then we can try that actually. Can you comment all this out? Let's try it. This is the drag version. I was gonna look up how to do the drag thing actually. Thanks for doing that. Self dot velocity x equals self. You don't have that operator in Lua, sadly. The super nice operator. That's what I call it. Multiplied by 0.98. So that's going to that's going to slow me down, right? Cool. All right. Of course, the drag is only working against. Ooh, that is nice though. That feels pretty nice. You can lower this, I guess, to make it a little. That's a very easy way of doing things. I wish I made a vector class. You know what? I'm gonna do that. Well, this feels very different. It does feel very different. It just slows you down just enough. There's a different kind of friction against it. So then I'd say that we have some more power. We have like 2000 power. That would accelerate me. I get some more acceleration here. Yeah, it's a very different kind of a feeling right there. I do like that. I like that. I do like it. We could do a drag here instead. We can keep deceleration and let's make a drag coefficient or whatever you call it. Drag. Let's say 9.5 here. Multiply by self dot drag. Ooh, ooh, my bad. That's the wrong way. It's a lot less drag now. There is drag. That's very interesting. So we have a smaller coefficient, but maybe a little smaller acceleration here. Okay, that's good. And how fast do we want to go? We want to go like 800. Okay, that's cool, man. Thanks for the help. Look at that. If you like this one better, you should do an additional step. Okay, which is check if velocity x epsilon, some small flow. Okay. Then set it to 0 so you don't get infinite small velocities forever. Okay, yeah, that's true. It's very, very smart. If self.velocity, we did that in our physics project. I remember. I've forgotten all this stuff. Self dot. velocity x is an abs, right? Would that be abs? Abs. Right? Right? Abs. Just confirming here. Okay, so self.velocity min, you're saying. So we can do min there. I'll define that in a second. Less than then self.velocity x equals 0.0. And then we'll do a velocity min here. Min equals 0.001, right? That would be fine. What did you say? 0.001? I guess that's fine. That's better to get a nicer stop to it. And then drag is 99. So playing with these two gives it a more floaty type of feeling. So I do like that. I like this. It's way easier, you know? Then you just have to do this for the Y as well. Y. Yeah, you do get small ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a 0.01 maybe. It should be whatever is less than 1 pixel, because velocities less than 1 pixel per frame are probably too slow. Yeah. That's smart though. That is smart. So that would be, I mean, 1 pixel is 1 float. So, I mean, it would be 0.1 would be the smallest. I just wanted to completely stop. It can even be 1, right? I mean, it could be, but that doesn't. So I'm getting some nice. You could actually, if we increase drag a little bit, I think that would make it a little faster to stop. I think if I reach a certain point, maybe like I need to do Y as well. Yeah, I need to do Y as well. I did Y, right? Or? That's what you mean, right? Oh, yeah. It's hard to tell, yeah. What if I do like 5? Like velocities at 5 is like basically stop. So yeah, that feels like more of a full stop to me. Or like, I don't know, I'm just seeing. So if you get a velocity that is so small, yeah, like 10. Look, that's more like a stop. Like the whole thing is just like, it's a little cleaner. I like that actually. But that would mean that, nah, that's fine. I do like that. That's cool. Try setting it to 10. Yeah, exactly. Look at that. Amazing. At some value, you should see stop too fast. Weirdly. Okay. Yeah. So I guess if I put like 50, just for experiment's sake, if I put it to 50, you'd see it. Okay. That wasn't. Why did that not work? Hold on. Because. Okay. What? Yeah, that's not gonna work. It's not even moving anywhere. It's not even moving. Where does it stop completely? Okay, it's barely that it moves here. It does. Okay, you gotta kind of get over 0. It's multiplying with dt, and that's why it's zeroing it out. So then you get a 0. I'm guessing I'm multiplying with dt here somewhere. Velocity never gets above min velocity, so it never moves anywhere. Yeah, exactly. Drag is more than acceleration. There you go. Yeah, thanks, bro. Physics. Yeah, right? That's smart. Nice. Yours on. This is so gorgeous to listen to while I'm thinking. I'm also making a player controller for my top engine. which is much complex. Nah, man, this isn't that bad. This isn't that complex, man. You could probably do this very easily. This is how we're running on the SFML RPG as well, but not with the air drag, not with the drag in that sense. But thanks, bro. Rather than adding drag, I'm just throwing a simple acceleration and deceleration percentage of max speed. That's good. And 3 simple variables. Nice, man. That's a pretty good idea still. Success. Yes, you are winning. Yes, you are. Yo, what's going on, Jim? Welcome. What happens when you try going one side and directly reverse your direction? No friction. Yeah, it does kind of give a little bit of a not too big of a deal, because the acceleration is kind of still big enough to move it. So it's not that big of a deal actually. So that's a good point though. Thanks, man. I don't care if you already read that. It's ultimately about game feel, not realism. Exactly. So if the realism to feel nice, that's all you need. That's true. It's just pixels on a screen, guys. It's that's all it is. That's all it is. The way that moves, if you can simulate it with 2 variables or 3 without all this crap, you're good. You're good to go. Let me put this to 8, by the way. Let me put my drag back to 9. I'll keep it at 9. Yeah, I'll increase my acceleration actually. Okay, I'm just nitpicking here. Okay, guys, that's fine. Now. What do we want to do? We want to make another component. I want to make a aiming component. I don't know what I'm going to call it. I'm going to call it aim component probably, because, well, do I need to do that in a component? The only thing that's going to be able to aim is the player anyway. The only thing that's going to aim is the player. Okay, so this is fine. Physics. Let's put that in our own little thing. Function player. Ugh. AIM, yeah. Yeah, right. I wish we were making AIM again. The memories. Unless you're starting an aerospace company. Exactly. Then it really does matter. Oh, man. A long name. I don't like long names, but whatever. We'll keep it. We'll keep it at that. You know what? We'll keep it at that. Oh, God. We'll keep it at that. And the beautiful thing is you can just do that. You don't have to kind of care about this anymore. Self update physics component. Good. And then we're gonna do the update the aim here as well. The AIM messenger. PC. Oh man, that would be nice. I wish I could do that, but my brain won't let me do that, man. I'm so sorry. Yes. Yeah, right. Oh man, that's crazy. Okay, look at this. So function player update. Why not? Why does update aim sound so bad? Why does that sound so bad? It's basically my aim that I'm updating. It's the aim. It's the aim of the ship. Well, it's the whole ship's rotation, actually. It's the whole ship's rotation. So that's why I'm like, update. What do you call it when you're looking at something? Heading. Thank you. We'll say heading. I don't know why aim sounds so childish, or what do you call it? Primitive. It's not for the likes of us. We're way ahead of that. Let's say. Now we need a new function to register from C++. My man, Dandy, if you haven't been with us on any of these streams, this might be very confusing to you. What's going on? Unless you've done this before. Yeah, heading is more orientation. Yeah, but heading is more shippish. Yes, yeah, that's correct. Yeah, so let me know if you know what's going on here, man. Otherwise, I can give you the basic version, the short version of what's going on. Let me get started though. Let me do a CPP. Yes, I'm binding LUA functions. Thank you. Thank God you know. rotate sprite. So there's one rotate and there's one set rotation. I don't know. I want both, so I'm gonna do both. This isn't a nice name, okay? Don't hate me for this. I'll change these later. But I started this way, set position sprite, because I had move sprite, but it would be better to set sprite position. But okay. I did it once in a 2D engine I wrote in 2008. Wow, haven't used Lua since. Wow, that's a long time ago, man. But cool thing you used this. Good thing. Very nice. 2008. Damn, that's crazy, man. That's amazing. First time I did this was 2015, 17. Lua script game. I wish I played Lua script game. It's the best game. 10 out of 10. I started my computer screen for 10 minutes beatboxing while trying to get the problem solved itself in my head. Yeah, right? That's how it is, man. You just gotta chill. You just gotta let go sometimes. That's how it is, man. That's how it is. Set. Now I'm gonna do it correct. Set sprite rotation. That sounds way better than get position sprite. Okay. Good. Let us do the cheaty way. Don't hate me for this. But I do it the cheaty way. Use Visual Studio. All right. But still, man. Yeah, no. Oh, I thought you wrote something else. Okay. Wow, my YouTube sources on. Nice, man. Can you link that on Discord? If you dare. Of course it's worth it, man. Any type of coding is worth it. Especially if it's old and cool, like what do you call it? It's like from the archives, you know? So that's pretty cool. I like that. Set. Where do we have a set? We have a set position. What is all this crap? Get out of here. So we're rotating and we're setting, but there's no way to get. I need get. Set sprite rotation. Get sprite rotation. Also, we're using Lua JIT now. Lua JIT. Just in time. Compiler. Because it's amazing. A little faster. I think it's a little faster. Might be a little faster. Get sprite rotation in degrees. I guess it will be degrees. I'm pretty sure. Usually it's degrees. Anyway, rotate sprite. So what are we doing? We're going to get a sprite index and how much we want to rotate. So rotation or degrees is the second one. We will do rotate to degrees. Is it in degrees? Angle, float angle. So it's a float. Let's call it angle. Float angle, sprite index, angle. And then when we set the sprite rotation, it's basically the same thing. I didn't have to paste all this crap. It's set rotation. Good. Set the rotation to the angle, and then getting it would be returning one thing. The sprite index is all I want. And then Lua push number. Sprite index get rotation. Would that be it? L game sprite, and I push the rotation onto the stack. I get the sprite index. This is dangerous. You always got to see if your sprite actually exists, but I'm just saying that I know everything here in this code and I won't be using it unless I give it a valid sprite index, so I'm not error checking. Otherwise they can fill these up with try catch statements and I don't feel like doing that right now, even though it's very noobish. Let's go back to player heading. Now we have a few more functions to play with, unless I forgot to actually register them. CPP rotate sprite. And then we have CPP set sprite rotation. And then CPP get sprite rotation. Now we have a few things going here. Now we can use it. Very nice, very nice. Now we can use this. Okay. All right, I don't have a lot more time left here. Got to be ending soon, but I want to see at least if I can set the rotation. And what if I do this? CPP rotate sprite, and I give it self.sprite or cockpit sprite. Then it's just gonna rotate the cockpit, I think. Now I'm done for the day, man. Oops, I forgot to give it how much, but I'm gonna do some other stuff. We're gonna play some games, do some more stuff with my wife, play some Fortnite. Can you please rotate the sprite? Why is that not working? Oh, because I'm not calling it. Haha. You're gonna stream games or just personal time? I'm not gonna stream games, I think. We're just gonna play, you know, just personal time like that. But if you guys ever want to see that stuff, then sure thing, we can stream it. Okay, I gotta set the origin to the center. But it is rotating. So when I'm updating the physics component, that's good, that's good. Okay, let's do this. Let's do function player. We gotta set all other body parts, all other you know, what do you call it? Ship parts to the same position and rotation as the player's cockpit. So a cockpit depends, everything depends on the cockpit's rotation and origin and all that stuff, because they're all the same sprite size. So personal time is good, right? Yeah, it's some privacy. Yeah, can't stream everything, guys, but once in a while maybe. We're gonna play some Fortnite, then we're gonna play some Modern Warfare, Warzone, might play some more stuff. We'll see. I don't have work tomorrow, and next week I only work 2 days because of the corona thing. Like, the company is totally just like, you guys don't have to work every Friday, but then we have holidays next week, 2 days, so one extra week we have to, or one extra day we have to stay off. So no coding for me there. But we have a nice sprint going that we have to complete, so I'll see if I can do that in 2 days. Update ship parts. Let's just say update ship parts, whatever. We can change this later. Here's where I'm going to update all the ship parts after all the movement, heading, everything is done. Self update ship parts. Okay. We're going to put all of this into update ship parts. Whoops. Control X, put it in there. This would be the position, and then we'd have the rotation. Good. Nice, that feels a lot nicer. We'll keep this function in case we want to put more stuff in here. We'll rotate just for fun, and we'll update the ship part. So the rotation would look basically the same way. One thing, when a CPP set sprite rotation. CPP gets sprite rotation. I hope we had that. We did create that. Can I just do this? I don't need 2. Wait, what am I doing? I just need 1. I wish I could put all these in a table and just straight up. Maybe I should do that. Maybe I should put those into. Gotta run fast. Sprint. Haha. It's a joke I made as well. It's a very nice joke. But it got old very fast. After like the 20th sprint, we're like, haha. Set sprite rotation. Set sprite rotation. So, okay, now we got a ship going, guys. If this reminds me of what's that space movie name? Interstellar. This reminds me of Interstellar. It's going ham. Going ham. What if we just do one here? Okay, so it's not rotating to the mouse yet, but bear with me, guys. We gotta put the origin at the center of this sprite. Oh man, I bet there's a book. You know what? I bet you there's a book on sprint and our agile memes or agile puns. There's gotta be. There's gotta be. Hey, welcome, Red. How you doing, Red? Hope you're doing great. Hope you're all doing great. As always, I gotta see if everything's fine. Everything's fine. Good. Great to have you guys here. I hope to never see it. Yes, I really do. I really hope to never see it too. All right. So what's happening here? We need to. What we need to do is we need to do this amazing thing here. I have the rotation on. I need to set the origin and get the origin. Maybe we can do that before I have to go. CPP set sprite origin. And then get sprite origin. X and Y. You can get these back as a table. But I like this way. It just makes it a little faster. X and Y, set sprite origin. See, it's become an engine right now. A real nice engine from SFML C++ to LUA. I like this. Game.cpp. Let me register them at once here. CPP get sprite origin. Set sprite origin, get sprite origin. Oh, hold on. Set sprite origin. X, and then Y, not T, Y. Good. X and a Y. Oh, you like those videos, man? You like those? Yeah, we're actually gonna get working on those again. I need to give her a nice recap on what she did so she remembers. But she's gonna be finishing that game, so that's good to know, actually. Yeah, we'll get to work on those. I meant hello from Russia. Nice, man. Welcome. How long have you been programming for? I mean, when you started. So when did I start? When I was like 16, 17, maybe? 2000. When is that? 2006, 2007? 2005. Oh, 2005, I think he even might have just looked into some stuff. 6, 7. I'm 30 now, so like half my life, maybe, probably. Plus, minus. That's true, actually. Yeah, I do like that as well. That was the fun part in doing it, because you really saw. I really got to practice my teaching with her, because she really never ever touched anything with programming. So it was cool to see her that she actually managed to get as far as she did and understand as much as she did. And now she knows what RAM is. So if you watch the latest video where she tries to guess all the computer parts, you'll see that she really knows what the RAM is. But yeah, that was kind of fun. We'll get on those, actually. All right, so we gotta set the sprite origin. It's the same thing as set position, so I'm just gonna copy the set position here. Set position. So we're getting the sprite index. So origin X. just ori x, ori xy. A little easier, you know. Ori set origin. So we're setting the origin here, x, y. Good, 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 good. There's a lot of functions we gotta bind. So many functions. And this is pretty much the same as get position x. So let's put that in there, get position. Game, sprite index. We're getting sprite index, LUA push integer, game, sprite, get origin. Let's put the get origin dot x here and y here. That's right. That's right. That's right. We got it. So we are good to go with that. We're good to go with that. Now. In player, when we create our player, we create this physics component, CPP set sprite origin. This dot here, we use this because self hasn't been created yet. I mean, when you create it, then this meta table, this table is created. So while you're in the creation, in the constructor that we kind of hacks fixed here, you got to use this. But when you're outside, you use self. So that's what we're doing here. We're setting this to self, to the big one, player on the outside. And once that's done, you start using self. And whenever you use self, it's going to go looking for stuff in here, because that's how Lua works in this sense. Okay, but for small numbers, not worth the effort. If you had a ton of these to bind, you could write a generator. Yeah, right? Yeah. But for small number, nah, yeah, I know, not that worth the effort. That's true. That's why I haven't really done. But I got Mr. PhD gave me a nice little tip on a general type of function for all of these. So I'm gonna look into that, where you can give a certain amount of arguments and everything. But the problem is Lua expects an exact format of a function. That's the problem. But yeah, we shall see. Anyway, let's set CPU this dot cockpit sprite to okay, I'm gonna hacks fix this. I'm gonna hard code this because I don't feel like binding anymore right now, especially if I have to go soon. Projects, I'm gonna hard code these. Let's see how big the texture is. I think all textures are the same size, 200 200. So I'm gonna set it at 100 100. So 100. I need to get a get size. I need to make a get size binding and all that stuff. So I'm like, whatever. Yeah. Oh, sprite. And this won't matter because we're gonna make a hitbox class, which will take care of all the damaging and stuff. So now we have a center rotation. Amazing. Beautiful. So. Very nice. Good. Right? Really nice. Beautiful. I need to redo this hard-coded remember. I need to just remember this because I'm so good at forgetting these kind of things. Good. Okay, so we do rotate it depending on the angle between two vectors, which would be the right vector of the ship and whatever my mouse is pointing to from the middle of the ship to this. So that would be 2 points. That's the direction, minus. Okay, so mouse vec equals CPP get position. See, now I'm messing up here. Position, because I have the different format for the other ones. Sprite X self dot cockpit sprite, and that will get the center. Till you're professional by your comments. Yeah, right. That's what I'm saying. Thanks, man. Things to remember. Depends, really, it's really individual. Depends on what you forget quickly. That's the kind of things I forget. You got to know yourself. Mouse vector. X. I should make a mouse vector class. I should make a vector class. Whatever, I'll do that next video. I don't have time for that. I just need to check y equals. So I get the position minus. Oh, god damn it. Still, I need to get the position of the mouse. Okay. Ooh, why did I close that? So many things to do. We need mouse positions in the world. So world mouse positions. Very interesting. States, textures, sprites. I think I'll put my mouse positions here since they're very important. SF vector to U is the window position. Mouse pos window. And then we have, or screen, sorry. Green. SF vector to I is mouse pos window. SF vector to F is mouse pos world. So to update these, I need to create a C++ function for once. Void update mouse positions. Look at that, actually a C++ function. And we should call this before we forget. Where's my update? Here. States, poll events, that's fine. I'll do it right here. This update mouse positions. Let me see. Newbie commenters be like, get X, this method. That's how it was way in the beginning. That is true. Professional comments be like, to do this, fix this shit broken, goddamn. That is true. Yeah, hi all lurkers. How you guys doing? Here, me and Danny having a big old conversation. Everyone just chilling. Hope you're all doing good. Don't be afraid to write a little comment here because we're gonna be ending soon. Make sure to get in your comments. All right. It will be fun, I promise. What am I doing? Oh, okay. So this mouse pos screen equals SF mouse get position. It should get the position of the screen. Guess the current position of mouse desktop coordinates. Okay, so it's a 2i. I got that one wrong. I think window is U. Pretty sure. Okay, we'll fix this. 2i. Can I please minimize this? Thank you. And then where is it? Update mouse positions. Polymers we don't need. Update states we don't need to look at. This we don't need to look at. This we don't need to look at. This we don't need to look at. Here we are. This is in the private type area, so that's why I'm messing this up. Getter. This is also a getter. Should be up here actually. Where do I update it? I update it after this. I'll put it right there. Mouse plus screen. Okay. Mouse plus window. SF mouse get position of this window. And I'm hoping it's initialized. It is. Okay, so this will be also a 2i. Okay. This mouse pos world. Let's see if I remember this. World equals this window map pixel to chords. So I want to map chords to pixel, map pixel to chords. Convert a point from target coordinate to world coordinates. That's what I want. Map pixel to chords. And then I'm gonna put this mouse pos window to that. Good. Oh man. There we go. If you got an area code to rep, shout it out. Exactly. There you go. 603. Where is that? Do your countries do that? I wonder. Using telephone numbers as gang sign. Nope. They do use. They use the name of the area, and they also use the number. Yeah, they do. They do use the postal code. That is true. Postal code gangsters. Will you make videos to draw a new Unreal Engine? Jim, that's a good question. Hopefully, if I get the chance to learn it, I definitely will. I really do want to learn it. So we'll see when I have the time to do so. I would love to. So we'll see. I'm writing this very important comment to express my excitement to be here. I'm very excited that you're here. We're all very excited you're here. Thank you for being here. Appreciate it. This live experience, and you are contributing by staying. So I'm really, really appreciative of that. Thanks, man. And thank you for your nice comment. There you go, bro. There you go. So now we have all these mouse positions to work with. And what do? We have a bunch of things. Yeah, exactly. Go join the Discord, guys. If you guys want, go ahead and join it. We got a lot of cool people in there chilling and talking. Also, if you like the channel, if you like this content, if you like any type of content that I do, consider dropping a like, subscribing. It really helps me out. You'll see a bunch of links in the description, just like Dandy said. Also, in the top right eye, you got a bunch of links. So that will probably pop up after this recording is saved. Also, all these live streams are saved, so you guys can watch the old ones if you want. You just have to go to my videos, and then on the live tab, I'm pretty sure you go to. Otherwise, I have it on my screen there. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it, man. Thank you, guys. You guys are amazing. Jim, you're amazing. You're a great person. Not just because you're here, just in general. I'm disappointed in you. Why you not target? I know, man. I know. No, you can't be here. I get stressed when you're here. You're like the pro of the pros. I can't do this. Oh, man. That was so long time ago, man. How are you doing, my man? Stuck in the 80s. This is true. Oh, no. What are you guys doing here? This is crazy. These are my old classmates. My friends. How are you? How is the corona situations? I guess none of you are left in Oh yeah, Wild, you're still in Karlskrona, right? Yeah. Oh man, that sucks. I remember when I left, you were working on that stuff. Stockholm, okay. Oh yeah, you don't have to actually be there too, but don't you have to? Maybe you have to go back. Yeah, right. Oh man, you guys still together. That's so cute. That's so nice. I wish we could meet, but if you guys are in Stockholm, we could meet. I'm in Örebro, if you guys didn't know. Living here, chilling, working. I actually got a job. Omega Lul. I actually got a job. And I didn't even graduate properly. I have one course left. And I didn't get my thesis or the thing out. I did complete everything else. I just have one little course, 7.5 points left. And I just, I can't get myself to make or complete those. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I'm not allowed. I have to do a thesis presentation via Zoom. Oh yeah, it's the corona time. I just asked you about that. Zoom. Omega Lul, bro. Wow. What course? It's just a distance C# course just to get some points. C#. It's very easy, but you got to do it as well. You got to spend the time. And I'd rather play Modern Warfare on my time. Örebro, Poggy, I come from Lindsberg. Yes, bro. 25 minutes from there. Ooh, what? Are you serious? Nice, man. Yeah, I could take a drive. Definitely. Lindesberg. Oh, man. I have a colleague from Lindesberg. That's awesome, bro. Maybe we can catch up again. Such a long time. I remember we used to be tight, guys. What happened? I got a wife. That's what happened. I'm playing. She didn't hear me. I'm glad I finished college. That's good. Yeah, man. I did my thesis, everything, but yeah. I say I finished college, okay? I'll just say I finished it. I actually got a job because I'd studied. I didn't even have to show my last graduation thing or whatever. No way I'd ever go back to finish it if I had. Yeah, right. Especially if you have a job, you have a good salary, you have good money coming in, you have YouTube, you have all this time you want to spend on other stuff, and then you got to go back and do that. Yeah. The only good thing, I guess, is C# is fun, so I could do it. Yeah. Pepe Haynes, yes. You should join us when we party at Raleman. That would be amazing. Discord party. Does he still get as crazy as he used to when he drinks? I want to know this. It's not that important, right? Yeah, it's not. It's not. You know the funny thing? I'll tell you a funny thing. I actually have I went a 3-year program with these guys for game development. And game programmer it's called. And I finished, or I did 4 years because I redid a year, right? But since my workplace didn't really check properly, I mean, they're like, you did 4 years, so you get, you considered, even more. Like, like I studied even more stuff during that last year, but it wasn't. It was just recapping the same stuff. So it was kind of funny. But yeah, not that it matters anyway. I still know what I'm doing, so it didn't matter. You got a good life and good wife. No reason to go back to school, right? Yeah, paper overrated. That's what I'm saying. It is. That is true, especially nowadays. He's the Omega juicer, bro. Wow. Yeah, I look forward to hanging with you guys again. That would be fun. I do actually want to get back to hanging with you guys. It's been such a long time. Let me know when you guys are wherever you are, and we'll get something down after the Corona times. Of course, I was actually sick. Do you guys know? I was sick with most probably Corona. We didn't get tested. We weren't allowed to be tested, but I was sick for like 2-3 weeks, and my wife was too. And she works she had her pratique in the ER, the emergency unit. Pratique is like a practical training in her last year. So most probably she got a lot of Corona patients. So who knows? Most probably, I'm done. I'm over that. Also had Corona. Wow. That's not that weird anymore. I'm jealous of my friend group. I'm jealous of the friend group. I'm like, okay. I got to see my college bros once last year for a wedding. It was a great time, but they're scattered all over the country now. That's the problem, right? I mean, you get scattered and everything is like, ugh. That is true, man. I was actually the first one to get scattered, so I'm not going to say that, it's not my fault. But I know that feeling. I do know that. Do you have a feeling that you study hard and a lot, but you think you're not skilled enough to go get a job? I feel like I'm 19, been programming 3 years. Yeah, man, I always feel that way. I still feel that way, even when I'm working. Don't worry, Red. That's how you feel, man. You're always going to feel like you're not skilled enough because there's always going to be more things to learn, But don't worry, once you get into stuff, you do get the time to learn. You will learn. There won't be any problem. But everyone is kind of stressed and you get anxiety from that, 100%. So that's how it is, man. Student forever. Forever student. Just never stop learning. Exactly. I'm gonna learn all my life, bro. All my life. Like here comes Wild, right? And Wild tells me all this stuff, how to code a operating system and how to do this and that. And these guys made like their own crazy particle systems and all that for their game. And here I am making YouTube videos on 3D, right? I mean, I think I know, but there's so much more to learn. And you never know who you can learn it from. So particles, yeah, I remember that particle system. That was hella impressive, man. That's crazy. That was actually pretty nice. I would like to do that. I did actually attempt that. I think if I would continue, I would probably get it. But maybe you can teach me once I come to Lindesberg. But I don't think we want to talk about that when I come. You're doing the YouTube grind. Yeah, right. That's what I'm doing, man. I'm grinding this YouTube, man. We're moving up in subscribers. Oof, I've been doing this for 3 years. My goal is at 10 years, I should have a very nice, stable income from YouTube because it's going up like exponentially, right? So I'm feeling that exponential growth now. Just share, tell your moms, your dads, all that. You know what I'm saying? I feel like you're skilled enough. You're probably in the wrong job and need to do something harder. Yeah, right? That's how it is. If you're skilled enough, if you feel like you're 100% at this, then it might get real boring real quick. You know what I'm saying? Definitely. That is a very good point. This stuff, LUA functions. Hold on, I gotta actually make sure this works. Static int. Still working on LUA, guys. We're working LUA. Get mouse pause screen for any reason you'd want to get that. Window and Briavrinda? Okay. My wife's giving me a signal. She was nice. She let me code today. Love you. Kitty. She allowed me to do. I'm just playing. I'm gonna get beat up. Okay, what's going on? I've been planning on doing YouTube stuff for 5 years, but also in school getting in the way. Yes, I know. But once that's done, get onto it, man. It will be good. Also, big question is worth study comp, graphics, or game dev, because I feel like Russia will not be able to find a job. Maybe only Moscow. It's still worth it. I mean, you could find a job elsewhere, right? In Europe, probably lots of indie developers in Russia, man. Probably, you just gotta look hard enough. Otherwise, you can use that knowledge for another job while you're waiting for that job. I've been streaming for a year and I have touched my O's for like 2 years. Yeah, it will be fun getting back into that code, right? Oh man, that's gonna be crazy. But you probably have documentation still. I've been in college like 1 year. I love the back-end software dev. I hate to stick front-end development. Should I be in computer science or computer engineering for my man. What is it, the difference? Here it's computer science. I mean, that's the back-end stuff, I think. Computer engineering, isn't that more hardware? Yeah, exactly. I didn't even read that, but yeah, exactly. I was studying in personally unless the course was highly technical. Exactly, yeah. Yeah, that's actually a good point. Computer engineering, how to code manage. At least at our school. Anyway. Okay, see ya, bro. Thanks for joining. Really appreciate it, you guys, for jumping in here. Good. Yep, very true. All right, guys, I gotta start cleaning up here. I'm just gonna define these last ones, and then once these are defined, I'm gonna start cleaning up. So ending, what do we have? Window, screen. Excuse me? Oh, window, world. Gotta start wrapping up here. Let me put these at the top where they're supposed to be. They were at the top, sorry. Okay. I gotta make the X and the Y's for these. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm too tired for this. This will be continued tomorrow at a little later time. I think around 5-ish. Probably I'll do a stream tomorrow. But yeah, we'll see. That's what I thought. I'm computer engineering was. Where should I go? I'm totally confused. Do what you feels right, because I also had a very controlling father, and I was supposed to be a doctor and all that stuff. And no hate on my dad, but I'm just saying like that he had another idea for what I was supposed to do, and very, very hardly so. But I had to fight a long time to do game development, and I did, and it gave me a lot. It gave me a lot. So whatever you feel in your heart, do the research on both of these so you are sure of what they mean, and then go and sit with what you want to do. And then all that stuff, there might be a lot of tension for a while, man, but you will be worth it in the end. You know what I mean? It will be worth it in the end. What's the signal? Does wifey have a secret hand that tells you time to get line? Yes. She has a few different tactics. She gives me the eyes, that one. But first she's nice. First she's like chilling. She gives me the sweet, like, can you wrap up? And then second one is the eyes. Like, I told you to wrap up like 10 minutes ago. And the third one is straight the boot.
I'm not even looking at you.
She's not even looking right now. But you're going to look. You want to come say hi? You want to help me wrap up? Come say hi. Come say hi. Everyone wants to say hi. Don't you all want to say hi? She started working recently at her as a sub nurse, but before she becomes a real nurse. Look, here's wifey. Look here's wifey. Hello. Are you mad at me?
No, I'm not mad. He's lying. I'm never mad.
Yeah, she's beautiful. She's saying she's not beautiful, but she's very beautiful. Oh man. Okay, gotta tend to the wifeys. Bye Steven, my man as well. My man Steven Wild, everyone, Dandy, Red, bye all of you. You guys are amazing. Yeah, everyone says hi. Even your zombie mob said hi. Everyone said hi. See? No problems. Next time she'll be the one coding on stream. Alright? Probably will get a lot more viewers if she's sitting here coding. Yeah. Discord. Join the Discord, guys. Join it. Bye, Red. Take care, guys. Okay. Hopefully I said bye to everyone in chat. Bye to everyone in chat. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a like, subscribe, all that stuff. Check out other links. Also, new videos on my channel. Check those out. We got a lot of fun videos, guys. You can check out the playlist if you don't mind. If you know people who need to learn C++ or just want to check out some funny videos. If you find me funny or whatever, go ahead and share if you can. That would be real nice. Hey, Felipe. Hey, I'm so sorry, man. I just started quitting the stream. Hey, my man. I'm sorry I came a little late today or a little early. Tomorrow I'll start at about this time. So then you can join in, Felipe. I'm so sorry, man. I hope you're doing good, though. I hope you're doing great. But this is saved, my man. This is saved. So if you want to watch it and act like if it's live, then you can do it. All right, my man. But thank you for joining, though. Really appreciate it, man. Really appreciate it. Yeah, you too, Jim. Thanks for joining, my man. Thank you. You guys are awesome. Links in the description for Discord as well. All that stuff. Take it easy. See you in the next one, all right? Bye-bye.